Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will solve all the questions of exercise 13.1. So before solving the question, let's understand the concept of conditional probability. What do you mean by conditional probability? The name itself revealed that it has some condition in the probability. So इसको हम एक एग्जांपल से समझते हैं. सपोज आप कैसीनो गए गेम खेलने के लिए, ठीक है, और वहाँ जाके आपने एक गेम में पैसा लगाया. गेम है, एक डाई रोल किया है, ठीक है. डाई रोल करने से क्या क्या आता है, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. ये 6 आउटकम आता है, ठीक है. आपने पैसा लगाया, सपोज 3 आउटकम आया है, ठीक है. आपने पैसा लगाया 3 में कि 3 आउटकम आएगा, तो 3 में आपने जाके ही पैसा लगा दिया 3 आउटकम. तो आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस क्या होगा, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 3 इज़ 1/6. तो ये है आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग सक्सेस, कि आपको पैसा मिलेगा. यह है इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी. अब और एक सिचुएशन को समझते हैं. सपोज़ आप कैसीनो में गए हैं और वहाँ जाके आपको किसी ने आके बोल दिया है कि एक प्राइम नंबर आया है, ठीक है. जो आउटकम आया है वो एक प्राइम नंबर है. अब आपको पता है कि प्राइम नंबर क्या क्या है, 2 3 एंड 5, ठीक है. ये तीनों में से एक होगा, आपको ये पता है. वहाँ जाके आपने पता कर लिया कि किसी ने आके आपको बोल दिया कि एक प्राइम नंबर आया है. तो प्राइम नंबर आपको पता है 2 3 एंड 5, ये तीनों ही प्राइम नंबर है. तो इन तीनों में से एक है. अब आप जो पैसा लगाएंगे, अब अगर आप 3 में पैसा लगाएंगे तो आप प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस क्या होगा, यहाँ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस 1/3 होगा. यहाँ देखिए प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस बिगर है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 1/6 से. तो आपको चांसेस ज़्यादा है यहाँ पैसा जीतने के लिए. तो यहाँ जो आपने एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन यूज़ किया, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन यूज़ किया कि आपको पता चल गया कि एक प्राइम नंबर है. ये एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको पता चल गया. ये है, ये कंडीशन आपने अप्लाई किया है इस प्रोबेबिलिटी में. तो इसको हम कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी बोलते हैं. तो इसको मैथमेटिकल डेफिनेशन ऐसा है, सपोज ई एंड एफ आर 2 इवेंट्स, ठीक है. अब प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई गिवन एफ, ठीक है, इसको कंडीशनल बोलते हैं. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई गिवन एफ. कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी ऐसे नहीं लिखते, कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसे लिखते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई डिवाइडेड बाय एफ. ये गलत है. इसको लिखते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई गिवन एफ इक्वल्स टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ डिवाइडेड बाय प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एफ. यहाँ जो होगा, जो गिवन होगा प्रोबेबिलिटी, उसको डिवाइड करेंगे और वो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एफ शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0. क्यों ग्रेटर देन 0 चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ 0 हो गया तो समथिंग डिवाइडेड बाय 0 ये नॉट डिफाइन हो गया, ठीक है. तो ये प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एफ ग्रेटर देन 0. नाउ अगर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एफ गिवन ई निकलना है तो इसको होगा फॉर्मूला प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ डिवाइडेड बाय गिवन क्या है, ई है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई से डिवाइड होगा, वेयर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 0. ये ई मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 0 होना पड़ेगा. तो ये डेफिनेशन यूज़ करके हम सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. तो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में क्या है. गिवन दैट ई एंड एफ आर इवेंट्स सच दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई इज 0.6 एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एफ इज 0.3 and probability of E intersection F is 0.2. Find probability of E given F and probability of F given E. तो solution लिखते हैं. First let's see what are the givens. Given this is given in the question, so we have to find probability of E given F and F given E. So we know the formula. We know probability of E given F equals to, what is the formula, probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Now we have given probability of E intersection F is 0.2, so it will be 0.2, and probability of F is 0.3, so this is 0.3. Then the answer will be 2/3. Again probability of F intersection E, probability of F given E will be probability of F intersection E divided by probability of E. Now probability of F intersection E, probability of E intersection F, E intersection F and F intersection E both are same. A intersection B, B intersection A, both are same. So probability of F intersection E will be 0.2, and probability of E given, it is given that this is 0.6. So this is 0.6. So the answer will be 2/6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Answer will be 1/3. Now see what is given in the question number 2. In question number 2 it is given that compute probability of A given B if probability of B is 0.5 and probability of A intersection B is 0.32. In the question it is given that probability of B is 0.5, probability of A intersection B is 0.32, then we have to find probability of A given B. Now we know probability of A given B formula will be probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Now it is given in the questions that probability of A intersection B is 0.32 and probability of B is 0.5. So the answer will be, so it is to remove the point 32 divided by 100, and to remove the point from here multiply 10 above, and this is 5, 0 0 cancel, so it is 32 divided by 5 into 10, 50, 2 16 is 32, 2 25 is 50, so this is 16 by 25. Now see what is the next question. Next question is, if probability of A is 0.8, probability of B is 0.5 and probability of B given A is 0.4, then find probability of A intersection B, probability of A given B and probability of A union B. So let's write what are the givens. These are given in the question. Probability of A is 0.8, B is 0.5 and probability of B given A. We read it like B given A, not B divided by A. Some students write this as probability of B by A. This is not correct. The correct way is probability of B given A. So now we have to find probability of A intersection B. Now how we will find this A intersection B? See, this in this formula we know probability of B given A is probability of A intersection B. From this formula we will find probability of A intersection B. So we know, first right, we know probability of B given A equals to, what is the formula? Probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. Now see, B intersection A we can write as A intersection B also, and probability of B given A, it is given here 0.4. So put here 0.4, probability of B given A is 0.4 and probability of B intersection A is the same, probability of A intersection B, and probability of A is what? 0.8. So this is 0.8. Now from here we can find probability of A intersection B as 0.4 into 0.8. And what will be the answer? Probability of A intersection B will be 0.32. Now next is probability of A given B. Now this is one. Next is probability of A given B. Now we know the formula will be probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Now probability of A intersection B we find here 0.32 and probability of B is given in the question as 0.5. So it will be 0.5. Now what will be the answer? The answer will be again 32 divided by 100 and this 5 multiply here by 10. So 0 0 cancel, it will be again 16 by 25. This will be the answer. See, 2 16 is 32, 2 5 is 10, 5 into 5 25. This is the answer. The next one is we have to find probability of A union B. Now how we will find probability of A union B? 3 is probability of A union B. Now we know the formula is probability of A union B as, we can write it as probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now we have probability of A, probability of B and probability of A intersection B, all we have in the given question. See that probability of A is 0.8, probability of B is 0.5. So put here 0.8 plus 0.5 and now we obtain the probability of A intersection B here as 0.32. So this is 0.32. Now 0.8 plus 0.5 is 1.3 minus 0.32. 1.3 minus 0.32 is equals to 0.98. So this is the solution. Now let's see what is given in the question number 4. In question number 4, it is given that evaluate probability of A union B. We have to evaluate probability of A union B. If we have given that 2 into probability of A equal probability of B equal 5 by 3 and probability of A given B as 2 by 5. So we have to find probability of A union B. So first write what are the given things. This is given in the question. Probability of A given B is 2 by 5 and 2 into probability of A equal probability of B equals to 5 by 13. Now we have to find probability of A union B. Now see here, from here probability of B is 5 by 13 and see 2 into probability of A equals to what? 5 by 13. So from here we can get probability of A equals to 5 by, so we divide by 2, so 13 into 2, so this equals to 5 by 2 into 13, 26. This is probability of A. And probability of A intersection B, we have to find first the probability of A intersection B. Since in probability of A union B, formula is probability of A union B equals to, we know this is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now this is given, so we have to find probability of A intersection B. So from where we will find probability of A intersection B? See, this is given. From this conditional probability we will find this intersection, probability of A intersection B. So name this as equation number 1. Now probability of A given B. Probability of A given B is what? 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Now we know the formula probability of A given B is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B equals to 2 by 5. Now from here probability of A intersection B will be equals to 2 by 5 into this probability of B, and probability of B is 5 by 13. The probability of B will be 5 by 13. Now 5 cancel. This equals to probability of A intersection B will be 2 by 13. Now 1 implies. From equation 1 we can find. Now we have A intersection B, A and probability of B, all we have in our hand. So we can find probability of A union B as probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now probability of A is 5 by 26. Probability of A is 5 by 26 plus probability of B is 5 by 13. 5 by 13 minus probability of A intersection B is 2 by 13. Now solve this. The LCM will be 26. This will be 5 plus 10 minus of 4. This will be 5 plus 10, 15 minus 4, 11 by 26. Now let's see what is given in the question number. See, in question number 5 it is given that if probability of A is this, probability of B is this, and probability of A union B. Now we have to find probability of A intersection B, A given B and B given A. So first let's write what is given. Now these are given in the question. Probability of A is this, probability of B is this, and probability of A union B is this. Now we have to find probability of A intersection B. So we know probability of A intersection B is equals to, we know probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A union B. Now see, we have probability of A, probability of B and probability of A union B. So put it here. This is 6 by 11 plus 5 by 11 minus 7 by 11. So the final answer will be 11. 6 plus 5 minus of 7. 6 plus 5, 11 minus of 7 by 11. This will be 4 by 11. So if you are watching the video, please subscribe my channel and like the videos. Next we have to find probability of A given B. Next one is probability of A given B. Now we know probability of A given B is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Now probability of A intersection B is 4 by 11. We obtain here 4 by 11, and probability of B is 5 by 11. 5 by 11. So this will be 4 by 11 into 11 by 5. So 11 cancel, the answer will be 4 by 5. Next, in 3 we have to find probability of B given A. Probability of B given A is probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. Probability of B intersection A and A intersection B both are same. So A intersection B is 4 by 11 and probability of A is 6 by 11. Probability of A is 6 by 11. So the answer will be 4 by 11 into 11 by 6. 11 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. The answer will be 2 by 3. Now let's see what is given in the question number 6. In question 6, it says determine probability of E given F in exercise 6 to 9. From question number 6 to 9 we have to find E given F. And what are the E's and F are? In given a coin is tossed 3 times and where E denotes head on the third toss and F denotes head on the first 2 tosses. In 2 it is given E denote at least 2 heads and F denote at most 2 heads, and in 3 E denote at most 2 tails and F denote at least 1 tail. So first we will write what are the sample space from here. If you toss a coin 3 times, then the sample space will be either it will be head, 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 or head, head, tail, or it can be head, tail, head, or it can be tail, head, head, or head, head, tail, no, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, then tail, head, tail, 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 head. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One more will be there. Another will be tail, tail, tail. These are the possible sample space. Now in 6.1 it is given that E denotes head on the third toss. Head on the third toss. Then what are the possible outcome for E? Head on the third toss. This will become head, head, head. Head on the third toss. This head, tail, head. Here head on the third toss. Tail, head, head. And this one. Tail, tail, head. See? In all of 4, the head is on the third toss. Now, another one is given. F denotes heads on first 2 tosses. In first 2 tosses we have head. So the possible outcome will be first 2 toss we have head. So head, 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 tail. Only these 2 will come. Since there is nothing has first 2 head left. See, it has 3 tail, it has 1 head, but in third position it has 1 head. In second position we need 2 head on the first 2 tosses. Head on the first 2 tosses. So only these 2 will come. Now what is probability of? Now we have to find probability of E given F. E given F. The formula is, we know probability of E given F is probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Now we have to find these 2 probability. Probability of E intersection F and probability of F. Now first we have to find what are the sample space for probability of E intersection F. Now F is this. This is F and this is E. So probability, now E intersection F will be the sample space for E intersection F. See which one came in the intersection of both. Only this HHT one. This HHT is here, HHT is here. Now triple H is here and triple H is here. But HHT is here, HHT is not here. So only one element will come, HHH. E intersection F will be HHS. Now probability will be probability of E intersection F. Probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of head. Now this probability of head is, we have total 8 favorable number. We have 8 elements here and the favorable number is 1. So the probability will be, this will be 1 by 8. Probability of E intersection will be 1 by 8. And we have to find again probability of F. So probability of F means probability of this H, comma HHT. Now this will be this probability of HHH plus probability of HHT. And this is probability, and this probability is 1 by 8 and this probability is also 1 by 8. So this will be 2 by 8, that means 1 by 4. This probability is 1 by 4. So we have probability of E intersection F is 1 by 8 and probability of F is 1 by 4. So put it here, probability of E intersection F is 1 by 8 and probability of F is 1 by 4. So the final answer will be 1 by 8 into 4 by 1. So this is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. The final answer is 1 by 2. Next, in 6.2 we have E denotes at least 2 head, at least 2 heads. So the favorable cases for E will be at least 2 head. So we need at least 2 heads. So head will come. Next head tail will come. Next head tail head, here 2 head come, and final one will be tail head. These 4 will come. And F denote at most 2 head. At most 2 head. At most 2 head means we can have 1 head also, we can have no head also. Okay. So the favorable number of cases will be head tail. We can't have 3 head because it is given at most 2 head. We can't have 3 head. Maximum we can have 2 head. So we have head tail, head tail head, tail head. We can have 1 head. So for 1 head we have head tail and tail head. And we can also have no head. At most 2 head means we can have no head. So for no head, this is tail. Now these are the outcomes for event E and F. Now we have to find probability of E given F. So for probability of E given F, we need probability E intersection F. First we have to find E intersection F. Now see what are the intersection in E and F. See this head tail is in intersection head tail. The next one is head tail head, head tail head, and tail head. These 3 are in intersection. So probability of E intersection F, this will be F3 divided by 8. The probability of E intersection is 3 by 8. And we need, this is probability of E given F is probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Now we need probability of F. So probability of F will be, now how many elements are there in F? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and total number of elements is 8. The probability of F is 6 by 8. So here probability of E intersection F is 3 by 8 divided by probability of F is 6 by 8. Probability of F is 6 by 8. Now 8 cancel. The answer will be 3 by 6. That means 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. The answer is 1 by 2. Sorry, we miss one outcome here. Another outcome TTH. Another outcome will be this TTH. So here we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total outcome is favorable outcome is 7. So this will be 7 by 8. 7 by 8. So this is 7 by 8. The final answer will be, let me write it again. This is 3 by 8 and probability of F is 7 by 8. Probability of F is 7 by 8. This is 7 by 8. The 8 cancel. The answer is 3 by 7. And in 6.3, E denotes at most 2 tails. At most 2 tails. At most 2 tails means we can have maximum 2 tails, but we can have 0 tail also. Then what will be the outcomes, favorable outcomes for at most 2 tails? The outcomes will be head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, and tail, tail, head. This will be the outcome for E. At most 2 tails. See, maximum number of tail is 2, and at most 2 tail means we can have 1 tail also. Here 1 tail, and we can have no tail also. And F denotes at least 1 tail. At least 1 tail. So the favorable outcomes for F will be, now is at least 1 tail. At least 1 tail means we can have more than 1 tail. So the favorable outcomes will be head, head, tail. So here at least 1 tail, and head, tail, head, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail. We can have more than 1 head since it is given at least 1 head. At least 1 head. For at least 1 head we can have more than 1 tail. And for at most means maximum we can have, but we can have no tail also. At most means we can have no, and at least means we need at least 1, but maximum we can go. And then tail, tail, head, and tail, tail, tail. For at least 1 head we can have 3 tail also. For at least 1 tail we can have 3 tail also. So these are the favorable outcome for E and F. Now we have to find E intersection F. E intersection F is, see, this will be E intersection F. H is not there. So from here this will be intersection H tail, and then head, tail, head, head, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, head, head is there, tail, head, head is there, tail, head, head, and HTT, THT is in both, and TTH. Now TTT is here, but it is not in here. Now we have to find probability of E intersection F. Now how many element is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 element, and favorable number of element is 6, and the total is 8. So probability of E intersection F will be 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. This is 3 by 4. And we have to find also probability of F also. Now probability of F is, how many element is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 7 by 8. Now we can find probability of E given F. We know this as probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Now probability of E intersection F is 3 by 4, and probability of F is 7 by 8. So the final answer will be 3 by 4 into 8 by 7. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is 3 into 2 is 6 divided by 7. Now see question number 7. What is given in 7? Two coins are tossed once where E denote tail appear on one coin and F denote one coin shows head. And in 2 it is given E denote no tail appears, F no head appears. So first let's write what are the events. First write what are the sample space. So it is given in question that two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed. So the sample space will be for two coins it can have head head, head tail, or tail head and tail tail. These are the possible outcomes we can have. Now it is given that E denotes tail appears on one coin. So what will be the favorable outcomes for this event E? Tail appears on one coin. So head tail or tail head, these two will come. And F one coin shows head. One coin shows head. F denote one coin shows head. So then what will be the outcomes? Again it will be one coin shows head. So it will be head tail or tail head. See, one coin shows head. So then E intersection F will be the same event, HT and TH, since both are same. So what will be the probability of E given F? Now we have to find probability of E given F. So the formula is probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Now probability of E intersection F, we have to find probability of E intersection F. In E intersection F we have two elements, so the probability will be 2 by 4. So that means 1 by 2. And again probability of F is, in probability of F we have two elements, so this is again 2 by total number of element is 4. Since in the sample space we have 4 elements, so this is again 1 by 2. So probability of F is again also 1 by 2. So then the final answer will be this is 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. So the answer is 1. Now in 2 it says no tail appears, no head appears. So first write E denotes no tail appears, no tail appears. No tail appears, the outcome will be only head head. Other outcomes has tail, so the only outcome will be head head. And F denotes no head appears, no head appears. So the outcome will be only tail tail, since the other outcome have head. So these are the two outcomes for E and F. Now we have to find probability of, and what is E intersection F? E intersection F, outcome for E intersection F is nothing is in intersection, so it is phi. Now we have to find probability of E given F. Now probability of E given F is probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Now probability of E intersection F is phi. Now and probability of phi, we know probability of phi is 0. So this is 0, and probability of F is in F one element is there, so probability of F will be 1 by 4. So 0 by 1 by 4, that means 0. The answer is 0. Now let's see what is given in the question number 8. In question number 8 it is given that a die is thrown 3 times and E denotes 4 appear on the third toss and F denotes 6 and 5 appears respectively on the first 2 tosses. Now it is given a die is thrown 3 times. A die has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. So one die has these 6 faces. Now if we roll this die, then we have 6 6 into 6, 36 outcome. No, let me explain it clearly. Now, if you have two die and another die has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Suppose these two dice, we roll two dice. The outcome we can have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and another one with 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5 up to 2, 6. Similarly, we have 6 into 6, 36 outcome. For 2 die we have 36 outcome, and for 3 die in this question it is given that 3 die is rolled, a die thrown 3 times. That means we have 6 into 6 into 6, 6 cube outcome. 6 cube means 216. We will have 216 outcomes. Now it is not possible to write all the 216 outcomes, so we will write it in roster form. How we will write it? We will write the sample space in roster form. It will appear in x, y, z, such that all this x, y and z lies in 1 to 6. 1 less than equals to x, y, z. These are lies in 1 to 6. That means we will have the outcomes as this: 1, 1, 1. The first die has 1, second die has also 1, third die has also 1, and also we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 6, 2. Like this we will have the outcome like this. That means first die shows 4, second die shows 5, third die shows 6. So like this we will have total 216 outcomes. So it is not possible to write all these 216 outcomes, so we write this as x, this as y and this as z, and x, y, z can take below 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this x, y, z lies in between 1 to 6. Now see what is given in the event E and F. E says 4 appears on the third toss. So the favorable outcome will be like this. We have first die shows 1, second die shows 1, but third die should shows 4, since it is given 4 appears on the third toss. So 4, 1, 1, 4, or it will be 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 4, 1, 5, 4 and 1, 6, 4. Again, the first die can shows 2, second die can shows 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 4. Now we can understand what will be the trend. 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4. Only just third die shows 4. See, in every place, in every event, third place shows 4. So the next one will be 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 4, like this. Then this one will be 3, this is 3, 6, 3, 6, 4. Then this will be 4, 1, 5, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 2, 4, like this. This will be 4, 6, 4, and this will be 5, 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, like this, and 5, 6, 4, and this will be 6, 1, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, like this, and 6, 6, 4. So in E we have how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 6, 36 element. So we have 36 element in E. And what is denoted by F? F denotes 6 and 5. 6 and 5 appears. 6 and 5 appears respectively. That means they appears simultaneously, respectively, on the first two tosses. On the first two tosses. first 2 tosses. So what will be the outcome? Outcome will be 6 and 5 appears respectively. That means 6 comma 5, then 1, then 6 comma 5, then 2, then 6 comma 5, then 3, then 6 comma 5, then 4, then 6 comma 5, 5, and 6 comma 5 comma 6. This will be the favorable outcome. See, 6 and 5 appears respectively. First 6, then respectively means first 6, then 5. Respectively means here it is given that 6 and 5 appears respectively. Respectively means first 6, then 5. It can't be 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are not respectively. Now from here we have to find probability of E given F. Now probability of E given F means probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Now we need probability of E intersection F. So first we have to find what are the events for E intersection F. See what is common in the E intersection F. It is easy. 6, 5. Only one element will be there. 6, 5. See, 6, 5 is here. 6, 5, 4 will be here. So only these elements is common. 6, 5, 4. And here 6, 5, 4. These two elements are in common. Nothing is there. So E intersection F is 6, 5, 4. And probability of F. So probability of E intersection F will be probability of E intersection F. This we have 1 elements and total number of element is 216. So this is 1 by 216. And probability of F. Probability of F is how many element is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So probability of F will be 6 by 216. So now probability of E intersection F we have 1 by 216 and probability of F is 6 by 216. So the final answer will be 1 by 216 into 216 divided by 6. So this cancel. The final answer will be 1 by 6. The next question is in question number 9. It is given mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. Now E denotes son on one end and F denote father in middle. Now we have to find probability of E given F. So what will be the sample space? Now first we have to write the sample space. So it is given that mother, father and son line up for a photograph. So let M denote mother, F denote father and S denote son. First we have to define the event, then the sample space. Then the sample space will be S will be mother, father, son, or son, father, mother. Another one will be father, son, mother, like head, tail. In previous question we have already solved. Suppose three coin are tossed, then the possible outcome will be head, tail, head. These are the possible outcomes. So same in here, we have 3, mother, father and son. They are standing in a line. So first suppose mother, in first position suppose mother, second position father and third position son. Then again another possible outcome will be first son, then father, then mother. Another outcome may be first father, then son, then mother. Another possible outcome may be mother, then son, then father. Another one may be son, mother, father, and another one can be father, mother and son. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the possible outcomes. Now in question it is given that E denote son on one end. So what will the favorable outcomes? See, here son on one end, here also son on one end, here also son on one end, here also son on one end. So the outcome will be mother, father, son, son, father, mother, son, mother, father, father, mother, son. These are the outcomes. And F denote father in the middle, father in middle, father in middle. So what are the possible outcome? Father in the middle, here father in the middle, here father in the middle. So only two outcomes are there. Son, no, father in the middle. So F should be in middle. We denote F as father. So this is father in the middle, here father in the middle. So only these two will come. So it will mother, father, son, mother, father, son, and son, father, mother. These two will come. Now we have to find probability of E given F. E given F is probability of E intersection F and probability of F. Now from here we find probability of F is 2 and total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Now we have to find probability of E intersection F. So first find what are the outcomes for E intersection F. E intersection F are, see, mother, father, son, mother, father, son is here. So mother, father, son, and son, mother, father, son, mother, father is there. Son, father, mother. So only these two outcome will be there. So what are the probability? Probability of E intersection F will be, so 2 element is there, 2 divided by total is 6. This is also 1 by 3. So the final answer will be 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. This is 1. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. In next video we will solve the rest of the question. Thank you.